Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm gonna film this because obviously my other half is just rang me, said I'm coming home this morning. Said, oh babe, don't cook for me. There's no need. I'll hang up because he's gone out with his friends. And then he said to me, oh no, I didn't like what they had there. Can you whip up something fast? I'll be home in 20 minutes. So I've got to think of something that I can do in 20 minutes. I haven't got much in, so this is definitely on a budget, this meal, but it's gonna be tasty. Let's see what we can find. Just gone into my fridge and found things I think I'm gonna whip up. So I found some rice, a bit of rice. I found some sweet corn. I always have these frozen things in the freezer just in case of days like this. What's this? Green beans. And I think these are broad beans. I think this is what I found. So, oh, and I found some sausages, which is in the fridge. These are about £1. I think this whole meal must be about a couple of quid. Can't be, because this is £1 something. These are like, no, I mean, these are half used anyway. So I would say this is about £3 for this meal for a couple of days, because that's why I'm going to cook it, a couple of days. Right. So I put the rice in, that's already been washed. Let's put the rest of the stuff in now. The beans has just gone in. That's just gone in there now. Some sweet corn has just gone in now as well. And the sliced green beans has just gone in now. This is from Iceland, mind you, all these frozen bits. I'm gonna put some of these cut sausages in as well. That goes in. A bit of my seasoned salt. That's enough. My famous garlic. We're going to put some of that in there now. Just a bit. Bit of thyme. So I'm going to put a bit of turmeric in there for a bit of colour and flavour. Right, we are now going to put some water on it just so it covers. There we go. And we are going to time this. So it should take 20 minutes. All done. My sausage, vegetable, turmeric rice. Tastes lovely. It tastes gorgeous, guys. It really does.